Hey guys, I'm back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this origami cannon, and I made a bunch of them. Actually, not a bunch, only three. One is broken, and so you just crumple a piece of paper, put it inside, and blow. It shoots, and yeah. And so all you need is a sheet of paper, and let's get started. Pull the paper in half. Actually, this video is a bit quick because there's not an edit. Because I'm just doing it very quick. Unfold on these two edges to the middle line. And fold them back on this line. Turn over and fold like this. And then you need to take this piece up, and you need to make sure that this line goes along and this point is facing up, and it should go like this, like a type of an L on this side. And then what you need to do is crease sharply and open this end. You just had to roll this end like that. And then insert in this flap I'm bending right now, inside this pocket. And so it won't stand perfectly. And then if you want it to stand perfectly, get this end, open that flap, insert your hand in both flaps, and it might stand. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you're a newcomer, then so subscribe and hit that bell icon to get all post notifications with all notifications. And so hope you enjoyed today's video, and give this video a thumbs up, and you and just subscribe. And so yeah, that's it for today then. So yeah, bye.